Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. TaragayeNicole here. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. I am doing well. So today we are here to do our monthly overview. This is just where we go into March. The next month is on its way, or it's here now that you're watching this video. And we want to just see what our month in bills is going to look like before we actually write down our complete budget. So let's just get into this video. So I'm going to flip to March. I never use this page. I don't know why that's there. Hustle Hard Girl. Love that. Because I stay hustling. So I'm going to be using the Shay Budgets kit. I bought it in January so that I would have it in March without having to spend any money in February. It definitely came with more stickers, but I've already put those into March because I didn't want to fool around with those when it came around. But basically there was a March expense sticker, which I've already put down because I'll be tracking my expenses. They came with 2 March expense stickers, front and back, and a March budget sticker, which I've already put down so that those videos can go a little bit faster. So let's go ahead and stick on the, this is my little paper. Actually, you know what? Let me take the pages out and let's get going. So I did use her stickers for January and I really did love the quality of them. And then I also got the bill due stickers as well. So I'm excited to use them again. I do like her quality. So I'm gonna, because these are usually made for Erin Condren, I end up having to trim mine, but I don't mind. Perfecto. Okay, now that the headers are down, the next thing I would do is go ahead and put in my pay dates. My pay dates for March are the 8th, so I'm going to put a payday sticker down on the 8th. I love her payday flags as well. And they're such a pretty green. They actually do go with the green in my book this time. My second payday would be the 22nd because I get paid bi-weekly. Perfect. Now I think I am going to use these gold stickers and I will put them over here. I will put cover the notes section and put goal 1. We'll have 3 goals for this month. Jesus. And leave enough room to write it. Goal 2 and goal 3. All right, now time to get the bills that are due down. I can't find my favorite black pen, so I'm going to use it in blue. We'll see how that works out. So we know that the first of the month, we're going to have to pay the rent. Love, I'm telling you, her stickers are one of the ones that actually fit very nicely into my boxes, and I love it. It's like it's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. And that's why she's a little more expensive, but her quality is amazing. I will make sure I link to her Etsy shop in the description below. Okay, the next thing due would be my cell phone. That is on the 4th. And that is $77.27, or at least that's what I'm gonna budget per usual. And then on the 7th, I have the gas and electric bill. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna do that when I have a kit though. I have other ones that are actually called those things, but when I buy the kit and I have matching stickers, I prefer to just use the matching stickers. And then I can always use the other stickers other times. 35. At least I believe that's what I budgeted. And I think our new stickers don't say bill due, so you have room to write what the actual item is. And I kind of like that you can write what it is on top, or without just saying though, you can write in your own thing. And so I'll probably buy her kit one more time just to see what those are like. And then on the 13th, we have Netflix. Oh no, that's starting balance. I think we'll put that over here since I've already peeled it off. I'll leave enough room for that goal. Can put starting balance there. Bill due, girl. We need a bill due. On the 13th, we will have our Netflix due, and that is going to be, we hope, $11.72. Then we have on the 16th our Amazon Prime. Oh, it's Saturday. Wonder how that's gonna work. This pink and green looks super cute. My little sister would probably love this spread because she's an AKA. And these are her colors. Amazon is going to be at $13.85. And then we have Kindmaster coming out on the 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day. Dang, I'm just taking everything out, bro. And that is going to be $5.32. We're upping that, hoping that, because it hasn't been $4.99 in 2 months. And then we have our student loan that's due on the 18th. We'll mix it up a little bit. They're right next to each other. And that's going to be $59.14. Oh no, that's wrong. And then we have on the 20th our auto loan. And that's going to be $299.46. And then on the 22nd, we will have a cable internet bill. So many bills. And that is supposed to be around $88.80. Then we have the Capital One payment on the 25th. I'm so glad her kit comes with so many daggone stickers. Like bill due stickers. Sometimes I feel like some kits come with like not enough to cover my bills. Bill due on this is going to be, I'm going to pay the minimum of $25, but hopefully more. This will just be what I'm saying. I'm going. And then car insurance is due on the 30th, I believe. And one of my coworkers' birthdays. I believe it's $103.67, but because it's set up for automatic payment, it's $104.67. I guess we're gonna see though. It'll be the first time it's gonna be automatically coming out, so I have to make sure that's in there. And then we have, that's it so far as bills. That seems like so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, not that many. Not that many. I mean, that doesn't include any savings or extra bills. But right now, that's all we have. And I'm so excited about that. So, whoa, 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 whoa. What are we doing? So I love this kit. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, and I still have a leftover bill dues. So let's see if there's anything else I want. Since I'm going to have a starting balance, then I'm going to put an ending balance, and we'll fill these out when we close out. And then debt total, I'm not going to do that. I'm actually on baby step 2 now because I finished. Not even cover. I finished paying off my baby emergency fund. So I'm on number 2. Isn't that amazing? Ow. I guess I should do my starting balance for my savings account and then see where my ending balance will be in my savings account. And then I also like to add my credit score because I like to see, excuse me, if it's going up or down. And I'll fill these all in. For the goals, I know for my number 1 goal, I definitely want to complete my declutter challenge. And goal number 2 is I would like to pay over $150 on my Capital One credit card. And my third goal is going to be lose 5 pounds this month because I've been going a little crazy. So I need to get back on track with that. So those are all different kinds of goals. I believe this is $90 something, but I just want to make sure, because I just started saving again. I just want to make sure that's where I'm at before I fill that out with you guys. But that's it, guys. I really love this little kit. Other than having to measure out that first top one, it was pretty easy to put on. It's very pretty. Let's see if we have anything like that we can add to it. Ooh, daylight savings time. Planner Basics usually has those stickers for the, why can't I think? The stickers, oh yeah, for this, like the special holidays. So it does, oh, it has daylight, oh, it has a daylight savings time start sticker, and that's here. And I'm not even gonna white that out, so I'm just gonna add daylight savings time starts. Yay, more sunshine. And then I wonder if it, oh, St. Patrick's Day is there also. St. Patty's Day. If I had like a cute little shamrock or something, I would have done that. But I've got a cute little star because I don't know why they give us these weird little stars in here. But I'll put that cute little star because it's green next to St. Patrick's Day. And anything else? No, I don't see any other holidays that might be on there. I just want to add 2 more stickers. For the weight loss goal, I'm going to put on this green sticker. Or maybe I should put the pink sticker down. I'm going to put the pink sticker down because it kind of goes with all the rest of the stickers. And it will go with the losing the 5 pounds goal. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh my god, I love how easy her stuff. So this can be like my final weigh-in number here. Excited for that. Plus, I do think I want to go back to the gym. So, and then I'll just put this starting ending right above each other. Like that. And because I am going to be over here with Frugal February, and I did save my money for my, I did my Frugal February pretty satisfactory. And I also fully funded my baby emergency fund and overpaid on my credit cards. And I had that sports center thing that I paid my $50 first thing off. I'm going to treat myself, because if you work hard and you're lowering things and doing your best, then there's no reason you shouldn't treat yourself once in a while. So I'm going to buy myself something not food related or not like debt related, or that fits in my budget, that I really wanted, because I've done so well. I hope you guys do that also for yourselves, because you can't work hard and not get anything out of it. It is life. You only get one. And just, you know, working hard and having no play and no fun is not going to make you a happy person, I don't think. At least not me. I love this spread, guys. I love it. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day.